Well, I'm here with these two ladies in front of Anjuna police station. म्हाका आयज अंजुना येवपाक पडलें कित्याक ही बाय आमची जी वेला फेर्नांडीस आसा आनी ताजी चली ही बाय स्वेतलाना फेर्नांडीस. 2 days back they called me and they were bitterly crying over the phone, and that day I was with some other matter in Ponda. Ponda आशिल्लें. Then they started bitterly crying. Then I told them to call me later, and in the evening when I spoke to them, they told me this is a case of domestic violence. Now this is the case in Sioli constituency. एक स्कूल आसा सेंट झेवियर्स हाय स्कूल म्हणून, आनी थंयसर वो बाबून एक सर आसा तो 8th 9th 10th स्टँडर्डाक शिकयता, भुरग्यांक शिकयता खंय. आनी ही बायल ताजी बायल जावन आसा वेला फेर्नांडीस, आनी ती खंय त्या स्कुलांत खंय स्टुडंट आशिल्ली. 14 वर्सां आसतना तो खंय तिका शिकयतालो, तो खंय तिका हेल्प करतालो स्टडीजान, लिफ्ट दितालो, बरेपण करतालो. करून करून मागीर खंय तो ताच्या मोगान पडलो. एंड यू नो टिनेजर ते मोगान पडले आनी 18 वर्साचेर खंय ताजे कडेन तो लग्न जालो. 3 भुरगीं आसा. हें बापडे श्वेतलाना हू इज नाव डन हर MBA, जस्ट MSc, सॉरी, शी इज जस्ट कंप्लीटेड MSc. आता प्रॉब्लम खंय जाले 25 वर्सां सेंट फ्रांसीस स्कुलान शिकयता. वो टीचर खंय, टीचर इज सपोज टू बी अ नोबल प्रोफेशन. तो खंय तिका जाली 25 वर्सां खंय त्रास करता, डोमेस्टीक वायलन्स करता, तेका फिजिकल एब्यूज करता, तिका मारता, तिका जाता तशें केसांक दवरून खंय मुट्यो मारता, तोंडार फाटीचेर मारता, पोटार मारता. सो मच सो इट सिम्स 3 अबॉर्शन करपाक तिका खंय तेणें फोर्स केलें. 3 abortions she had to force. He forced on her. Now the worst part is she's been giving complaints over complaints. पळय तिने 2021 खंय ह्याच पुलीस स्टेशनात खंय अंजुनात येवन पुलीस कंप्लेन दिल्ली की डोमेस्टीक वायलन्स आपणाचेर जावपा लागला म्हणून. बट देर वॉज नो आउटकम. मागीर तेणे 2019 खंय आउटपोस्ट जो सिओली आसा थंय कंप्लेन दिली, पळय दुसरी कंप्लेन. थंय ताजेरूय ताका बिस्ते आपयलें, खंय समजायलें, कॉम्प्रोमायज केलें आनी धाडलें. मागीर खंय आतां पळय 19 तारखेर 19th of this month तिका खंय तिने खंय फक्त खंय डिमांड केलो 500 रुपया जाय, 500 रुपया जाय एक्सपेंडिचराक. कितें तरी बूक केल्लें आसा, ऑर्डर केल्लें 500 रुपया जाय. ताणें खंय तें ना म्हूण सांगलें, खंय दिना म्हूण सांगल्यार खंय हिणें म्हणलें खंय पयशे दिना तूं, पयशाची गरज आसा म्हणल्यार खंय तिका धरून खंय आपटायलें, मारलें, पोटार मारलें. भुरगें हेच स्वेतलाना ताची चली, शी वेंट टू डिफेंड आनी तिका खंय आवयक सांबाळपाक गेलें. बट इवन ही ग्रॅब्ड हर हेअर इट सिम्स and he kicked her and pulled her and kicked her and I don't know, bit her. Now what I am saying, I have come today, I met PSI by Sneha Saval, because the PI, the sang is gone for filing it seems, and I have registered, FIR registered केल्ली आसा पळय. आनी ही पळय ही कॉपी हांवें आतां दिल्ली आसा अंजुना पुलीस स्टेशनार आनी सांगिल्लें आसा की no matter what, within today's day he has to be called to the police station and तेका police station हाडपाक जाय, अरेस्ट करपाक जाय आनी ताजेर कारवाई जावपाक जाय. आय थिंक दीस पुलीस वो कोण तो सॉरी विलिफ्रेड म्हणटा तो प्रोफेसर ओ टीचर म्हणपाचो लायकीचो ना. आय डोंट नो इफ ही इज ट्रिटींग हीज ओन वायफ लायक दीस एंड डॉटर लायक दीस, वॉट ट्रिटमेंट ही मस्ट बी गिविंग टू हिज स्टुडंट. I have told the police that he should be called and first sent to for medical test. Medical testaक धाडात. म्हाका दिसता हो कोण तरी सायकीक आसा, कित्याक जेन्ना हो आपले 23 years old MSc केल्ले भुरग्याक मारता जाल्यार तो भुरग्यांनी कसो ट्रीट करता आसतलो. ह्या भुरग्याक खंय शिकपाक 60,000 खंय वर्साक फीज लागतात, ती आवय कशी म्हूण करता आसतली. आनी तेणे खंय स्टेटमेंट पळयलें खंय एक दीस बापायचें, ही इज अर्निंग अराउंड 1,20,000, बट इट सिम्स he is crying to give 20,000 to women for expenditure. हायजीन ना, घरा मेंटेनन्स ना, फ्रिजीत खंय जेवण खाण आणना, इतलो त्रास करता. आनी वर्स्ट पार्ट खंय ती शी टोल्ड मी that mother-in-law is the one who instigates. And how many sister-in-laws you said? 3 sister-in-laws. One is in Bastora. She is the one it seems who troubles. So I think section खंय तरी section 3 लावपाक जाय, protection of women from domestic violence act. Okay. Though this act has a civil and criminal provisions, a woman victim can get civil remedies within 60 days. Okay, and agreed woman can file cases under this act. Second, I want to say that the term domestic violence has been widely defined under section 3 of the act. Of any act, omission of this conduct which harms or injuries or endangers the health, safety, life, limb or well-being where the mental or physical of the aggrieved person constitutes domestic violence. And one more thing I want to say, under section 498A of IPC, okay, states that husband or the relative of the husband of a woman subjecting her to the cruelty, whoever being the husband or the relative of the husband or a woman subject such as woman to the cruelty shall be punished with the imprisonment for the term which may be extended to 3 years and shall be also liable for fine.
Like so many years became, Mama has been going through a lot of torture, and like we kept quiet and all. We went to the police station many times, but the police kept saying that, you know what, we'll call him and all. So they used to call him up and they used to say that no, just don't hit again, and that's it. They used to not do anything basically. So Mama has gone through a lot, and she keeps quiet. That's it.
Okay, you too.
I'm Bella Fernandez, and I'm from Sholem, Bamonwado, and I'm the only daughter of my parents. And the thing is, this man, my husband, he's been hitting me just because of 500 rupees, has been hitting me in a brutal way. It's a mental torture, physical torture I'm going through over here. So many years now, almost 25 years it's been, and nothing seems to be like solving out. And it's like Sod Zala. And I've been really, I am very thankful to ma'am, and I need justice, and I am really for that she's going to give me justice, and I'm really thankful to her. Though she was not well, she came for me, and I'm so grateful to her because she came for me all the way from Navili.
See, what I would like to say is that she, जो बामोनवाडो आसा सिओलीचो, आणि she is the only daughter. He also threatens, it seems. They सांगपाक विसरले तें, but मिथून कंप्लेनान दिली आसा that he goes, all the labours and all have seen how she's been threatened and hit and beaten up. So there is witness. But ताजे आवय बापायगेर वता खंय तो, आनी तांचे खंय प्रॉपर्टीचे डॉक्युमेंट्स सोदता, तेंचे पयशे सोदता, आनी you forgot to tell that even the mother-in-law, what statement she has made,
तुमकां कातरून मारूंक जाय,
तुमकां कातरून मारूंक जाय. से हांव म्हणटा आमी खंय आसात, आमी गोंयांत आसा. हांव डिलायला लोबो जी आसा, हांगाची MLA जी आसा, डिलायला लोबो, यू आर द वुमन म्हणल्यार तूं आयज BJPत आसा, आनी BJPचे मंत्रच आसा, बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढाओ, बेटी के पळय बचा, बेटीकूच मार पडपाला. एक नोबडी, यू नो, एक भुरग्याक हात लावपाक अलावड ना, एक मायनराक लावपाक अलावड ना, आनी हो एक ग्रोन अप चलयेक हात मारता. 23-year-old girl, he has to feel ashamed of himself being a professor, a teacher, coming to this level. So don't cry. So I have demanded justice. I'm demanding justice. Yes, I've come from Navili all the way to Sioli today to demand justice, and I've been assured by the PSI Sneha Sawal. She has told me, don't worry madam, today itself we'll be calling her. I'm calling him. So I have told that action has to be taken on this Andis who is teaching in St. Francis High School, and justice has to be given to this lady, and this girl has domestic violence case registered. Thank you.